Over the last few weeks, the price of Bitcoin has been more or less stagnant. This has led to many investors look out for alternative investment options. One such option is investing in prospective IDOs. In today's video, we are going to cover one of the most interesting and hot IDOs in the market, TrustFi. Also, we are going to find out what exactly is TrustFi, who are the investors, and more importantly, what problem is it trying to solve. So, stay tuned to today's video and find out more about TrustFi.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies or any IDOs for that matter, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link is given in the description below as well. So, let's jump onto today's video and find out more about TrustFi. So first understand what is TrustFi. TrustFi is a multi-chain based decentralized BaaS solution for the DeFi market, which focuses on early crypto asset issuance, liquidity management, community activities, and DAO governance with the primary aim of unlocking DeFi's potential. So it's a complete solution for projects which are launching in the DeFi ecosystem. Now, let's try to understand how TrustFi is different from other players. So unlike other DeFi products in the market, TrustFi is focused on expanding the BaaS ecosystem. This will help early stage startups and crypto projects with liquidity management and DAO governance issues, while also filling some significant gaps in the existing DeFi market. Now, let's take a quick look at the team at TrustFi. So the team at TrustFi is headed by Todor Kolev and Joseph Chuang. So let's take a quick look on the LinkedIn profiles. So Todor Kolev is an experienced entrepreneur. Prior to starting TrustFi, he has worked and he has served as the CEO and co-founder at Quiet Solutions, which saw him lead a team of more than 20 individuals that supplied cybersecurity and digital solutions to the SMEs. And the same team is working on TrustFi as well. Apart from Todor, Joseph Chung has been working on the TrustFi network as a partner. Joseph comes with an experience of working on DeFi from 2017 and is currently in charge of the complete development and consultation at TrustFi. Now, let's take a quick look on the TokenMetrics at TrustFi. So in total, there would be around 100 million tokens that would be in supply, out of which 18.5% would be used for sale, 15% would be for team, 5% would be used for advisors and options. TrustFi vaults would be having 25%, the ecosystem growth would use 20% of the tokens, incentives for users would be 10%, and ecological fund would be 6.5%. Now, as I told you, the total supply would be 100 million TrustFi tokens, and TrustFi will come with an initial market cap of only $400,000, and the total available tokens for sale to the public would be 1.25 million TrustFi tokens, and the price for each would be around $0.08. Now, let's take a quick look on the technical architecture at TrustFi. The ecosystem of TrustFi essentially consists of three parts: the IDO general protocol, the decentralized staking contract, and providing liquidity mining model, that is the PLM model. So if you are a liquidity provider, you will be joining the IDO as well as you will be staking your smart contracts here as well. In rewards, you will get the tokens and NFTs. So this is the complete ecosystem of the TrustFi system. Now let's take a quick look on the utilization of the tokens. So there are multiple utility of the TFI token. Number one could be governance. So the TFI token holders can participate in the community governance by staking their tokens. That is where they will stake here, and in rewards they will get some tokens. They will also participate in rewards. So TrustFi Alpha and TrustFi Beta revenue will be utilized for the repurchase and destruction, as well as reward for the customers that stake the TFI. So as a reward to staking, TFI tokens would be given as rewards to the liquidity providers Also for minting NFTs, the TFI token may be used to mint NFT, which can be deployed into the PLM model right here, and DeFi yield protocols for further returns in incentive programs as well. So it can again be used for the incentivization of the liquidity providers. Then comes the auction share. So the TFI token can be staked to get priority auction rights on the TrustFi Alpha for selected high quality assets as well. Okay. Next comes the liquidity mining. So the TFI is the PLM system's core token and the gas, and it may be used for cast synthetic assets. By providing liquidity, users also stand the chance to earn TFI tokens as well. So as we have mentioned earlier, they can win TFI tokens for staking their existing tokens. Also, the last part is the insurance. So the holders of the TFI token have the access to insurance rights and interest against revenue loss and market risk. So this is an excellent utilization of the complete TFI token. Now let's take a quick look on the roadmap for TrustFi. So in the quarter 4 for 2020, the market research started for the TrustFi, and they started by doing the research for the DeFi space. In 2021, they launched the TrustFi Alpha and the general IDO protocol pre-release on the Binance Smart Chain. In the Q2 of 2021, we had design of staking contract and the PLN, and the launch of private and public token sales. This is most important. So under the private sales, we have invested in TrustFi. In the Q3, they would be looking to deploy on multiple ecosystems, that is on Solana, Near, Nervos, and so on and so forth. And in the Q4 of 2021, they will launch the PLM model MVP, onboard new blockchain ecosystems, and also launch of 2022 TrustFi master plan as well. So that's the roadmap for the TrustFi ecosystem. Now, most importantly, let's take a quick look at the investors involved in TrustFi. So some of the investors that we have over here are AU21 Capital, which is a very prominent venture capitalist investor. So if we go to their website, we can see they have invested in quite a few projects. For example, some of the bigger ones are Polkadot, Refinance, DAO Maker, Liternity, Polygon, as we all know, is a huge hit, Harmony, also Poker Starter, and the list continues. And one of the major investments for AU21 Capital is Binance, Huobi, and OKX. As we know, Binance is the largest exchange in the world currently, and Huobi and OKX are also pretty decent, and they rank in the top 20 as far as the global volumes are concerned. Some of the other investors include the likes of JRR, X21, Dutch crypto investors, Chainridge Capital, Pluto, AV Star Capital, and the list continues. So all of these investors are pretty big and pretty reputed in the industry. So this is the authentication for TrustFi which it required in the initial phases, and that is why we have invested. So that's pretty much it about this video on TrustFi. Do let us know if you want us to cover any particular project. Do let me know by commenting below. Also, do let me know if you have invested in TrustFi or do you want to participate in the IDO. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and share this video with your family and friends and give them the opportunity to learn about new projects. In the future as well, we will be making videos on newer projects, and we will keep you updating about the projects that we feel are the best. Mind you, these are not paid promotions and these are my honest reviews. So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself, and also join our Telegram channel for discussing on TrustFi or any other cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Bye bye for now.